Okay. In this video, I'm going to solve some problems about flexural or bending stress. Yeah. First problem. The box beam is made by nailing four 2-inch by 8-inch planks together as shown. This one. Letter A, show that the moment of inertia of the cross-sectional area about the neutral axis is 981.3 inch to the fourth. In the letter B, given that W is 300 pounds per foot, find the largest allowable force P if the bending stress is limited to 1,400 PSI. So, to solve, ano itong reactions? And 300 na. So, kung kuha na ito yung resultant, that's 300 times 12, that's 36. So, direct. Tapos yung i-draw ang lines para sa shear and moment diagrams. And siguro, okay. Okay. So, this is RA and RC. Okay? Sige. Sum up, summation of moment at A equal to 0, counterclockwise, positive. So you have negative 36. So 1. Distance 1/2 sa 12, so 6. Okay? And minus P times 9 and plus RC times 12. So, to solve for RC, divide na to 12, ano na siya, no? 3, 6, sorry, 3, 6 times 6 divided by 12, 1/8, it's 1/8, plus na yun, 9/12, that's 3/4 or 0.75 P. Okay. And then summation of force along the vertical, you have RA 1/8 plus 0.75 P minus 36 minus P plus RA equal to 0. And natay RA equal to 1/8 plus 0.25 P. Okay, so let's draw the shear diagram. Okay, 1/8 there. That's 1/8 plus 0.75 P. Kini na. And then minus na 300 times 927. Sige. Let's assume na 1. Ara dire. So, so 1/8 minus 27, negative 900. So this will be 0.75 P minus 900. Okay naman na siya. Ay, 1/8 na rin ba? 1/8 plus 0.25 rin. 0.25 na RA. 0.25. So therefore 0.25 minus 900. Minus P na yun. So natin dire negative 900 minus 0.75 P. And then minus ano na yun? 900 man eh. 300 times 3, 900. Minus 900. So you will have negative 1.8 minus 0.75 B plus RC. That's equal to 0. Okay? So ang diagram ni paunin mo na. Sige. Ano mo na siya? Muna mo moment and then kill it. So, ang kiling nga moment, maximum equal na area. So, dito maximum 1/2 of kini 9 times 1.8 plus 0.25 B plus 0.25 B minus 900. So, pilay maximum. Ma-add ni 0.25. So, mahimo na siyang 0.5. 0.5 B. 1.8 minus 900. 900 rasad. So, 9 over 2, that's 4.5 times 1.8 minus 900. 900 for 4,050. And then 9 over 2, 4.5 times 0.25 plus 0.25, 0.5, 2.25 plus 2.25 B. Muna itong maximum. Okay? So, sige. Kung saan na ito I. Ang I is I of a bigger rectangle minus smaller rectangle. So that's 1 over 12, 8 times 12 cube minus 1 over 12 kini. 8 man eh, no? Not like 2 man. So 4 na lang eh. 8 minus 2 minus 2, 4. Tapos 8 na yan. Okay. Compute na to. 8 times 12 cube over 12 minus 4 times 8 cube over 12. 981.33. Dire oh, now given no? 981.3. Or para wala round off, it's 2944 over 3. Inch to the first. Okay. So find the maximum, find the largest allowable P if the bending stress is limited to 1,400. And we all know na stress is MC over I. So, butan nato na 1,4 equals, ang unit nato sa moment is pounds niya feet. Pounds manguning kung dere 1,4 ba? Ay, 300 pounds. So, force niya distance, pounds feet. Now, ang kining 1,000 pounds per square inch naman. So, Ang sa moment, dili na to i-convert na pounds naman to daan. Feet na lang. So, i-multiply na to ni siya og 12 kining moment. So, it's 4,050 plus 2.25p times 12 m pa ni C dayon. Ang C is katunga ni 12 man eh. 2, 8, 8, 12. So, 1 half of that, 6 C. Tapos, ang I dayon. Ang I na to na 2944 over 3. Eh. Natay P dire. Calc ta. Shift solve gamit. 1, 4 equals 4,050 plus 2.25 alpha x times 6 divided by 2944 over 3. Shift solve times 12 4,050 plus 2.25 times ano pa 12 dali times 12 times 6 shift solve 1,000 example okay 6680.66 pounds eh so money ang answer. Okay. For the second problem, for the beam shown, calculate the maximum bending stress and the bending stress at a point 4 inches from the top of the beam on section D. Dire, no? Okay, so, compute na to. Okay. So, you have RA and RA. So, dito na lang ha? RA. RA. So, kung moment sa A, you will have negative 2,000 times 3 plus RA alpha x distance 12 0 shift solve 500 and summation of force 2,000 minus answer you have 1,500. So if you will draw the diagrams you have 1,500 minus 2,000 natin na niya. So this is 1,500 and negative 500. Okay? And the moment is this. Sige. 1,500 times 3. 4,500. Diba? Okay. 4,500. Minus 500 times 3 minus 500 times 3. 3,000. Minus gini 500 dito ba? Sorry. Dito na siya. 500 times 700 na siya. Ano? Ato lang ko ano moment ng sa D kay letter B kay sa D man. Okay, so this is the shear diagram and the moment diagram. Maximum moment ni for letter A and then mo niya moment dayon for letter B. Okay. So Kung ano na to I is simply 1 over 12 to 4 cube. Pila man 32 over 3, 416. Try. 1 over 12 times 2 times 4 is to 32 over 3. Okay? Mo ng I, no? Okay. Sige. So, for letter A, maximum stress. Okay. Sigma max, maximum moment, which is 4, 5. Take nyo sa unit, pounds, feet man. So, times 12 yung ka. Feet to inches. So, this is C dayon. Since ang centroid na to, kinaarang sa tunga, because of symmetry, ang atong C is isa lang. Tension compression sa value. 2. Di ba? Siyempre, 4 man ni katunga na to. So, this is MC over I, 32 over 3. And, one yung answer, no? 4, 5 times 12 times 2 divided by 32 over 3. 10,000. Okay. 10,125. The unit is PSI. No? Kay kini 400, 45 pounds man eh. Okay. So, 10,125 PSI. Or if you want to express it in KSI, that would be 10.125 KSI. For letter B, what is asked is 1. Bending stress at a point 0.5 inches from the top. So, kung mo niya ko to section, 2 mo di ba? By 4. Nadiri yung neutral axis. Kana. NA. Ang fiber is 0.5 inches from the top. Dere. 0.5 niya. 0.5 mo na itong Y na yun. Kaya ang Y na to, distance man na siya sa fiber kini from the neutral axis, and that's 1.5 K2 man eh. Di ba? And the formula is My over I. So, ang moment na gamiton is 3,000 kaysa D man eh. D. 3,000 times 12 conversion. Moment niya Y dayon 1.5 over I. Ang I na to is 32 over 3. So, ano yung stress? 3,000 times 12 times 1.5. Eh, 3,000 times 12 times 1.5 times 32 over 3. 5,062.5 PSI. So, kung i-divide ni mga 1,000, 5.0625 KSI. Okay. Ano yung mga answers? So, 1. Okay, can B. And last problem, number 3. The beam carries a concentrated load W and a uniformly distributed load that totals 4W. Determine the largest value of W if the working stresses are 160 megapascal in tension and 110 megapascal in compression. Okay. So, paano sa na to? I-draw na to ang diagram. Sige. Monitor reaction, RB, and RD. Okay. No need to solve for I or centroid kay given naman daan. Sige, dito. Summation of moment sa D equal to 0. D ha? Okay. So, now, take note, kining 4W, resultant na na siya. Okay, total naman na. So, kung kaon mo ang uniform load ani, i-divide ni mo ni 4 omega ang W ang uniform load na W times 4 mo na kay 4W. So, resultant na siya 4W. Di na kay multiply pa na nimo 4. No. Kay total naman siya. So, ang direction na ni positive. So, you have 4W times 2 plus W times 6 na minus RB times 4 equal to 0. You can compute for RB, for W, for 2W. 4 times 2 plus 6 divided by 4. 3.5 W. Summation of force sa Y equal to 0. 3.5 W plus RD minus W minus 4W minus W and 4W. Na kay RD equal to 1.5 W. Okay, let's draw some the shear in moment diagram. Okay. Downward ka og W. So negative W, no load. And then upward ka og B, 3.5 W. So na kay 2.5 dire, no? 2.5 W. And then minus 4W. And you'll have negative 1.5, no? Kana. So this is negative 2.5 man. Minus 4 is negative 1.5 W. Plus RD 1.5. Kana. Okay? So, pag abot dayon sa moment, inani siya, using my shortcut, ang uniform load ani, it's not for W, kundi W. So, diretso lang, shear divided by uniform load, mo na rin na. 2.5 W over W, it's 2.5. Tingnan na. Okay? Sige. You get the area of this? It's W times 2. Huh? So, negative 2W. And then area na yun. 1/2 times 2.5 times 2.5. 3.125. No? 3.125. Tapos minus 2 and 1.125 na siya. 1.125 W. So, na, and then down. Okay. So, since unsymmetrical ang cross-section, symmetrical ha, and so lahi-lahi mong C yun. Na, remember, na kini is point of inflection. Dili mo change ang curvature. And kung positive moment, concave upward, dili negative moment, concave downward. So, pero ang imong elastic curve, kung i-trace nimo siya, nadiri ang support man. So, inani na imong kan. Inani na imong elastic curve. Okay. So, nadiri mag-shift from concave downward to concave upward. Ana siya. Okay? So, i-test na to. Test na to. Maxi positive moment. Okay. Ang atong positive moment is M equals 1.125 W. Ang unit ani is wala man, so Newton. We'll just use Newton sa W. Newton meter ni, no? Newton meter. Okay. Positive moment. Tension dahil ka. C dahil mo. Okay. Now, tanawan nyo, kung positive ang moment, positive concave upward na siya. So, ang tension na nasa ubos. Kay downward man ang kunan If you will bend this portion sa beam, yun man, di ba? And obvious ng ibabaw is makompress, ang ilalom is mainat. So, yung man to section, ang ilalom na to, mo na ma-stretch. That's 116. So, 116 na. Okay? While ang sa compression, ang opposite, C equals 84. Okay. Sige. Substitute MC over I, ang stress na to, sorry tension na. Ang stress na to is this. Working stress 60 for tension, 100 for compression. So kung tension ta, 60 naman 60 equals, okay. Ang ato moment is gini. 1.125 W. M. Di ba? MC over I. Pero ang ato moment, ang unit ani is Newton meter man. So, i-multiply na ito ni 1,000 para mahimo siyang millimeters. So, 6 MC na yun. 116 over I. Ang I is 75 exponent 6. Sige. Natay W dali. Ano ni siya? 60 times 75 exponent 6 divided by 1,000. Dito siya. Isa lang siya. Divided by 116 divided by 1.125. Again, 75 exponent 6 times 60 divided by 1.125 divided by 1,000 divided by 116. Okay. 34,042.76. Sa compression, 100 equals same moment 1.125 W conversion dayon 1,000 and then C 84 over 75 times 10 to the 6. Okay, 100 times 75 exponent 6 divided by 1.25 times 1,000 times 84. Okay. 79. 365.08. Okay. Next is negative moment. Ang M na to na is negative 2. Negative 2 W. Okay. So, for tension, bali na po itong C. 84 na eh. Because for negative moment, downward man. Di ba? So, kung imo na i-deflect downward, imo na siya i-bend rather, i-bend with downward, ang kining ibabaw ni, mo ni ma-stretch, di ba? Na 84 siya. And tension man is 60 hapon. 60. Tapos ang moment na to is 2 times 1,000. Diba? 2W 2W times 1,000 MC. Of course, ang C na to pareho lang. And then 84 the 84 over I, which is 75 times 10 to the 6. Pila man na. 75 exponent 6 times 60 divided by 2 times 1,000 times 84. 26,785.71. And then last compression, it's 100. And same moment to W times 1,000. C na yun eh. Ang C sa compression is opposite man, 1110. 1110 over 75 exponent 6. That's MC over I. W, okay? 75 exponent 6 times 100 divided by 2 divided by 1,000 divided by 110. 34 090.91. Okay? And okay, 34. And gipangita dire is largest. Allowable is 26.7857 kilo newtons. Okay, so here are the answers. Number 1, number 2, and third problem. Na. Okay. So, I hope na may makuha diri nga idea on how to solve problems involving sexual stress. Okay, thank you for watching.